Malaria is a major public health problem in Rwanda.
The Africa Indoor Residual Spraying Project is funded by the President's Malaria Initiative. The project aims to protect people against malaria with indoor residual spraying.
In the application of insecticide, we want to make sure that the spray operators and also the beneficiaries, who are the household owners, are not affected in a negative way by the insecticide. And that's why we maintain very high standards of environmental compliance.
The environmental compliance assessment helps you to see that you are ready to handle the insecticide safely.
In the previous rounds, we have been using paper-based assessments, and that was taking time.
Using the paper-based assessment, you had to fill the data twice. You filled it in the field and had to come back to the laptop to enter the information again. If you have to transfer somebody's information, it might be complicated because the handwriting may not be very clear to you.
We have moved away from paper documents to the use of the smartphone.
Two months before spray campaign start, I have to go at each site to perform the precision environmental compliance assessment by using the smartphone. The smartphone will help me to record the GPS coordinate of each operation site. When there is a prompt, the smartphone will ask me to take a photo, which will help us to know which necessary repairs are needed to be done before the spray campaign starts.
Once the data has been completed on the smartphone, then this is uploaded to an online database. The database develops a work list of actions, which is then emailed to the chief of party, the operations manager, the technical manager. A final inspection is done to ensure that all the compliance standards are met. If they are, then the team gets a green light to start the spray campaign. The smartphone is easier and faster to use than the paper-based assessment. You do not skip any information. If you don't enter important data, then the phone does not let you move forward. It helps you collect much more data than we used, including the picture and the GIS coordinates of the operation site. In the long term, we plan to train all our partners to use the smartphone for environmental compliance assessments.
The whole idea is the idea of sustainability. We want to leave the country with all the necessary structures that can run an IRS program.
I am passionate about working in malaria control because this leads to an improvement in the health of the people of this country.